Well, hello, this is TripleChip here. This is Down the Hatch 2. Doing another blizzard video. I can't flip it upside down because it's a little melted. But this will be, would have been number 4, but this is my 3rd one now. But I've gotten out of the 52 I can get. This is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Pie. It's too bad you couldn't smell it. So I think the only thing they're going to have different, I think there's some graham cracker crumbs in here, so let's just try it out. I'm tasting Reese's. Let's see what we got in here. I can feel something chunky down here. That just looks like a big chunk of chocolate. Not too many chunks in here, but you see some of the chocolate in there. And that looks like a really big chunk of chocolate right there. Oh, I'm trying to fish it out there. Big, massive chunk. Let's just try it out. Definitely chocolate. You can slightly taste the graham cracker, but more like you're just eating a Reese's. So not bad. I'd give it a high ranking. Probably 2 thumbs up for sure. Because everybody loves the Reese's. I'm going to drink it. Delicious. Go down and get yourself one. These are about the kind of price. They're almost like $6 here in Canada. But I'm getting it for free, so I hope you like this one. If you want to see more of these pop up, then make sure you ring that bell notification button and put it on all. Then that way these videos will just pop up as soon as I post them. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing. I know there's enough of you out there that watch my videos. I wish you would subscribe to it. It doesn't cost nothing. Sucking on that piece of chocolate. So anyhow, y'all have a happy eating day or night, whatever it is. This vlog's over. See you in the next one.